chocolate truffles. I actually like the fact that you had two different one was chewy and gooey and sweet. One was dry and light. Very rich. I just think he thought, chocolate, let's go for it. Just for it. It's like to escape, if you know what I mean. And with the dessert like that, you need something. Whether it tastes
Just in case.